When it comes time for a roof replacement, we find that many homeowners understandably ask a lot of the same questions. How much will my roof cost? How long will my roof last? Is it really time to replace my roof? Those questions and more are going to be answered in today's video. I'm Brandon Hafeli with Bill Reagan Roofing, and thanks for watching the Roofing Channel. Let's get started. How much does a roof cost? It's quite difficult to put an accurate price tag on a roof replacement because the roof industry prices are always rising and there's a lot of variables between each and every single roof that will change the cost of a roof replacement. Right now, we would say that the average cost for a roof replacement would be anywhere from $15,000 to $20,000 if you're replacing your home with architectural shingles. However, that's only a rough ballpark number. Do your research, get estimates, don't immediately pick the cheapest one, and hear from the professionals. That's the only way you're going to get the accurate cost for your home and your roof. What's the best roofing material? At the end of the day, the best material for you is going to be for you. It may not be the best material for your neighbor, it may not be the best material for somebody on the other side of the country. However, we can still give you the best in class on different roofing materials and let you decide for yourself. Some homeowners believe that cost effectiveness is king, in which case architectural asphalt shingles and luxury asphalt shingles dominate in that category. The cheapest roofing material would be a 3-tab asphalt roof. The longest lasting roof material would be a natural slate roof. And the best looking roof material would be, well, whatever you think the best looking roof material is. How long does a roof replacement take? A roof replacement will generally last anywhere from 1 to 2 days, but that's contingent upon the weather. If you have a larger roof or a more complex roof, then it could last even longer than 2 days, but that relies on many variables. How do I find a good roofing contractor? There are many tips that we can give to homeowners in order to find a good roofing contractor. Some of the key tips that we say are hire local, read reviews, and ask the right questions. Now, we can talk all day about this, and we have before, so if you're looking for more information on how to hire a good roofing contractor, you can click on the link right here. When should I replace my roof? The average lifespan for different materials will vary, but there are still signs that you can look for when it's time to replace your roof. Some signs of wear and tear would be granule loss, sagging shingles, sliding shingles, vegetation covering your roof, torn shingles, bruises from hail, and so on. How long will my new roof last? Before we give the lifespan for different roofing materials, it's important to understand that we give lifespans with the mindset that you'll get the proper roof maintenance with your roofing materials, that the roof is going to be installed correctly, and that there's not going to be a severe weather event that's going to cut your roof's lifespan short. With that in mind, to give the lifespan for a bunch of common materials, 3-tab asphalt roofs will last an average of 18 to 23-ish years. Architectural roofs will last anywhere from 25 to 30 years. Luxury asphalt roofs will last anywhere from 30 to 50 years. Standing seam metal roofs will last anywhere from 30 to 50 years. And synthetic roofs will also last anywhere from 30 to 50 years. All of these questions are big ones that could warrant their own series of videos to answer them all properly. If you're looking for more information as to how long a roofing material will last, if there's another material you were curious about how its lifespan is, you can click on the link below or at the end of this video to watch our video on how long does a roof last. I'm Brandon Hafeli with Bill Reagan Roofing Company, and thank you so much for watching the Roofing Channel. Remember to like and subscribe so we can help educate more homeowners like yourself, and we'll see you next time.